Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by readying both devices. Charge the watch above 20% and keep its screen active. Open Fitpro and grant Bluetooth and location when prompted, because the app needs those to scan and pair. Create or sign into your account so settings sync correctly. Once done, tap the app's Device or Add Device button. You're initiating the handshake now. This shortens discovery time and prevents dropped connections during the next step. Once the app scans, choose your watch model from the detected list. This ensures correct firmware and feature mapping. When a PIN or pairing request appears, confirm it on both the watch and in Fitpro to establish a secure link. Make sure to grant notification, contacts, and health data sync permissions so calls, alerts, and steps transfer correctly. These permissions let the watch act as an extension of your phone, not just a standalone tracker. Finish by allowing any firmware updates to install. Firmware aligns features and fixes bugs, so don't skip it. After updates, confirm real-time data appears in Fitpro and enable background app refresh so syncing continues when the app is closed. If pairing fails, here's one key tip. Toggle Bluetooth off/on, force close Fitpro, reboot the watch, then try pairing again. This clears cached connections and resolves most handshake errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.